Hi, I'm Jonah.
I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be doing a Play-Doh challenge with this cool cake mountain. It comes with a bunch of different cool stuff. And also it comes with Play-Doh Plus, which smells really weird, but it's softer and it's smoother and it's really nice. It's made to go through the weird little needle thing where you needle thing? Yeah, it is a needle thing, I guess. And this is just a mountain full of tons of different templates. So let's show you what's in it. So here is the middle part of the cake. Here's the top part of the cake. And I got the bottom part, I guess, and with Play-Doh. A bunch of different molds and toys, Play-Doh, and instructions, because we don't know how to put a cake together. So in this, it came with the 3 different pieces for the cake that Jonah has put together, 2 of the pieces. Yep. And it also comes with all these different tools, like this spirally rolling pin, a fork and a knife to pretend like you can eat the little treats. Even though it smells terrible. A weird little needle thing that you squeeze stuff through. I don't know what it's called. Plates. This goes with all these things for the molding.
Molds for the cakes.
These are the molds for the cakes. And it has a heart one, a butterfly one, and some cool looking decorative one with like flowers and stuff. And we also have a bunch of these candles. Okay, so this little thing is the bottom base of this cake thing. This way you can squeeze down the Play-Doh into here with this magical contraption over here. And it also comes with these cute little packages of Play-Doh. They have these cute little light colors here, and then they have the bright colored Play-Doh Plus, which is just a softer, weird smelling version of Play-Doh that you can squeeze through this thing. Yep. And also, I'm gonna show you how to work this thing. So you put this little thing that you hold it down on right there, and then you shove this up in there into that hole, and then you take some Play-Doh. Okay. Come over here. You do this. There we go. Push it down really hard, and then press the button, and then it comes out perfectly, like a cake. But it's all okay. So now I'm going to show you guys how the sucker dummy cake pop thing works. I don't know, wherever you're from, whatever you call it. And it has like this little notch right here that you can put the candlestick through. This way, whenever you push down, you can see that right there. Then open that up. Then gotta cut off all the excess Play-Doh. And then I got myself a sucker. After you push down on this thing.
Now it's time to start the challenge. We will each have 10 minutes to make the best play of treats possible. So in the end, you all have to comment down below who made the best play of treats.
Ready and go.
So I have this sucker thing, and I have.
Hold on, let's take a look at Jonah's sucker thing. Very good. Okay, what else, Mr. Chef?
I have this cake with a little circle thing on it, and a candy cane, which is over here, but there's a donut on the side, and here's the candy cane, and there's this little swirly thing, and there's another thing.
And what is this plate of treats?
It's a thing. No,
So we've got
a circus peanut.
and a purple croissant.
Yeah, because purple
what's
croissants are all the
this?
hype. And a kidney bean.
I think that might be a mandarin orange, maybe?
A little bit of mandarin orange.
And then a cookie with a teddy bear on it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Teddy bear cookies. Here we have a little miniature cake, which is sort of like a cupcake, except it's got a little candle on it. And here is a little lollipop that has a yellow swirl and a pink bow on it. Then there is a yellow and pink striped donut, a little gingerbread cookie, and a delicious what is this? A delicious like little fudge pie, but with like icing around it. And yeah, I didn't have enough time to make any more. I don't know. 10 minutes should seem like a lot of time to make a bunch of stuff. It's not.
Okay, I have a wedding cake with little lavender sprinkles. I have a cookie, a chocolate chip cookie. I have a little bit of frosting swirls. I have.
You know
a
what
cake
those
pop.
look like to me? They look like unicorn poops.
Unicorn poops. Okay, I got cake pop or a dummy, and I've got some heart candies.
And comment down below who you think won and who had the best plate of treats. And I'm proud of this donut, but everything else not so much. I'm proud of my circus peanut. I think people will like it.
I'm proud of my wedding cake.
I like it. Your cake is nice. I like Noah's cookie. Yeah, Noah's. I'd choose Noah because I like his cookie. Yeah, I think everyone's gonna choose
Cookie
Noah.
looks appetizing, actually.
Cookie looks very appetizing.
But he didn't use the mold for that.
Oh yeah, he didn't.
You never said I had to use.
He used the mold for the cake, which is actually pretty much the cutest little thing. So thank you for watching today's Play-Doh challenge. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter and bye, YouTube. Peace out, YouTube.
See you tomorrow, YouTube.
Bye. Oh, she's in your hair. Oh, she got stuck in my hair.
Take time, do what you're gonna do, and just smile, you're gonna see it through. Your wings are gonna sprout and lift you off the ground. Oh no, take time, do what you're gonna